Hi, in this video we're going to tackle meter, tempo and rhythm all together because all three are dealing with time in some way. As always, if you're unsure about any of the words used in this video, then click on the word as it comes up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. In And the Glory of the Lord, the meter is 3/4. This means that there are 3 crotchet beats in every bar and we count it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. The tempo marking that's written at the start of the piece is allegro, and this is an Italian word which means fast. The effect is a lively dance tempo that contributes to the joyful affection of the piece. The meter and tempo remain fairly constant throughout the piece, except for a couple of meter shifts that I'll talk about later. There's also a change in tempo right at the end of the piece, where you get a sudden halt, followed by a 3-beat rest, and then the final line is sung adagio, which means slow. Handel uses some interesting rhythmic features in this chorus. The entire accompaniment is driven along by regular crotchets that we hear in the continuo bass line. Now, I've already said that the meter is 3/4, which is triple time, but it seems to change at various points. There's one point at the end of the introduction, and again at bar 41 and 42, where we get a 2/4 feel. Handel does this by altering the harmonic rhythm. Harmonic rhythm is when the chords change, and in this piece, Handel changes the chords every 3 beats mostly. This corresponds to 1 chord change every bar. At the end of the introduction, however, Handel shifts this to changing chords every 2 beats, which creates a 2/4 feel. This effect is known as a hemiola, and it's very common to find this at the end of a musical phrase just before a cadence. So let's take a closer look at the set work then. As you can see, we have a tempo marking of allegro, which means fast, and the time signature is 3/4, which means 3 crotchet beats per bar. We also have a hemiola at the end of the introduction, which momentarily changes the pulse from 3s to 2s. Notice how the continuo bass line drives the whole accompaniment along with its regular crotchet rhythms. We have another hemiola coming up, which changes the pulse from 3 to 2, and I'll count over it so you can hear it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The dotted minim rhythms sung by the basses add weight and gravitas to the statement. The piece ends with a sudden halt and 3 crotchet rests, with the final few bars sung adagio, which means slow. Now that's really all you need to know about meter, tempo and rhythm in this first set work. Make sure you go back, watch the video again and take everything down in notes. Thanks for liking and commenting this video and click on that subscribe button. Bye.